No.
Okay. Now we're gonna do more Central Europe. Okay, it starts with Italy, and Italy is always the one with the
boot.
The boot. That one looks like the boot. And then next we have Austria. Austria is right here between all these mountains. Okay,
Whoa.
Austria. And then Hungary is right next to it. And a good way to kind of remember that is it's Hungary because it has no mountains to chomp on. So Hungary,
No.
Austria.
It doesn't have any food to get.
Okay, no food. Okay, Austria, Hungary, and then Czechoslovakia, former, is right on top of them. Okay, Josh, ready? Okay, can you go Italy?
It's
Italy, Austria.
Austria.
Okay, Austria is one next to it with food to eat. No, right here. Okay, and then Hungary.
Here.
Czechoslovakia, former.
Here.
Okay, on top of that. Very good. Okay, Caleb, can you try?
Yes.
Italy,
Italy.
Austria,
Austria.
Hungary, Czechoslovakia. Czechoslovakia right here on top of that.
Czechoslovakia.
Okay, we have a little song that we do to that. So
More Central Europe, Italy and Austria, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, former.
okay, the song goes like this: Italy and Austria, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, former, and that would be more Central Europe.